This is part 3, hospital drying job. This is the other wing, other side. It's down the front office. More cabinetry, PDSs, thermo heaters. More cabinets. Coming down over here where the offices are, over here. Air scrubber, air movers, Phoenix axle air movers. Here's a 7000 right here, dehumidifier. There's a 200 max. Down the hallway, a jet dryer, more air axle fans. In here, another room. HD 200, more axle fans. Here's another room over here. Another DU. There's 13,600 square feet in this building downstairs that we're doing the water mitigation at. Buckets to catch water. Here's another 7,000. Here's some bucket that it catches water. You can see how much it catches in a 24-hour period. Not very much. It's getting drier in here. When you first start, the buckets fill up fast the first couple days, and on the third day, it's much less. Here's another room where they had their x-ray room, another 7,000. Air movers, more air movers. Here's another axle fan. Here's another PDS, another HD 200. More cabinetry and stuff. The PDSs are thermo heaters. They work very, very well. Some more cabinetry. Here's your medicine room. See what an air mover does, blow stuff around. You have to clean it up later. Another air scrubber. Here's another air movers. There's a LGR Evolution, another thermo heater. Here. And here's the front office on the other side of the wing. We've got more air movers. Another 200 max, another PDS. And we'll go up here to the front, one of the waiting areas. And that right there is pretty much a lot of the job. It's going to take approximately 5 to 6 days to dry. This is the hallway here. They'll go down. Electrical distribution from the 50K generator out there. More air movers. Another 7,000. More offices. These are saving mats for wood floors. They work very well. They get all the moisture out of the wood so you can salvage them. There's some more equipment. Another hallway. Another HD 200. Here's another office that has another 200 in it. A lot of wood. We're trying to save all the wood inside here with being less abrasive as possible. You have to come in and do moisture readings, logs every day for the insurance company. when you're doing this type of work. Here's some more salvageable mats. Another HD 200. Here's another hallway. More offices with more equipment. And that's about the gist of the job on this section. Thank you, and tune in, and we will have another part on electricity distribution with generators. Thank you.